right, so Bubba's he's got some Doritos going on. Got a little spicy taco Dorito action going on. Captain Prowley over there, he's leading us to the promised lands. You see, Prowley's more like a in the outdoor world. He's more like you got kind of a couple people kind of tied into his personality. He's a little bit of Doc Holliday mixed with a little bit of Denzel, like Patrick Swayze, a little bit, yeah, like that. Joel's on.
Well, I don't like it. Come on.
Strikes again, I say. Nothing new for him. Sorry, what's going on here? Just following him around. Wait till he's up high. Did it. I did it. He's got a little belly. He's got a little belly. He's got a belly. 11. Anything over 10 in my book is a good trophy for a channel catfish. Yeah, beauty. Hold him up just a little bit more. There we go. All right, should we let her go?